Most real estate projects don't fail because of bad locations, bad contractors, or bad markets. They fail quietly before construction even starts. Not from lack of money, but from lack of governance. And this is where most investors misunderstand risk. If you're an investor, developer, or diaspora capital allocator, this conversation matters. Because at scale, real estate success is not a design problem, it's a decision system problem. There's a dangerous myth in real estate that capital solves everything. Money doesn't fix unclear ownership. Money doesn't replace decision rules. Money doesn't create accountability. In reality, capital amplifies whatever structure already exists, good or bad. Here's what actually kills projects early. No documented decision authority, no investor protections baked in, and no discipline between developers, consultants, and capital. When these are missing, delays become disputes. Disputes become exits, and exits quietly kill projects. Serious investors don't ask first about ROI. They ask about control, visibility, and downside protection.
Defined governance frameworks, clear approval thresholds, capital deployment rules, and exit and escalation mechanisms.
This isn't mistrust, it's professionalism. Governance doesn't punish developers, it protects them. Developers gain credibility, investors gain confidence, projects gain speed, and decisions gain legitimacy. Governance is what turns ambition into investable structure. Most real estate projects fail before construction because of not everyone knows who decides, who reports, and who carries the risk. When governance is clear, capital flows. When it's missing, capital waits or walks. If you're serious about raising capital or protecting your investments, DM for investor-ready governance checklist. Today, we strictly share screen-based checklists to ensure all protocols are followed meticulously. Watch. Next, most real estate professionals don't struggle because they lack value. Subscribe for weekly clarity on real estate, capital, and governance. Stay informed and ahead of the curve. Let's share this vision with one partner or investor who needs structure in our operations.